Hi, this is Stanley. Let me be honest, we all have moments when we feel discouraged, when everything seems too difficult and we want to give up. I've been there too, but then I realized that the simpler the system, the more powerful it is. And now I rely on just two tools, the RSI and the fractal chaos. They give me confidence every day. Today I'll tell you and show you how to trade correctly using these indicators and make money. I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. My name's Stanley and I'm getting started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Fractal Chaos Bands and the RSI. And let's configure the Fractal Chaos Bands first. Set the period to 3. Go to Style, set the background to gray, and set the downline to green and the upline to red, and save. Let's configure the RSI, set the period to 10, go to Style, disable the 70 and 30 lines, set the 50 line to yellow, width 2, and move the opacity to the right. Let's set the main line to turquoise, width 2, and save. So the indicators are ready to go. If you are trading on your phone, configure it the same way. First situation. The expiration time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $1,720. Now I'll explain in detail how to work with this strategy and use its signals correctly. First, let's pay attention to the RSI indicator. Its turquoise line crossed the yellow line from bottom to top. This is a clear signal of the beginning of an upward movement and a trend reversal. This moment is especially important at turning points when the market changes direction after a long decline. The second confirmation comes from the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. Here the candles cross the lower border from bottom to top, indicating the end of the downward movement and the formation of a stable upward trend. An excellent start! I'm recording a profit of $1,582. And my mood immediately becomes as productive as possible. Do you want to see fresh ideas and market analysis every day? Then join my free Telegram channel. We share strategies, discuss trades, and support each other on the path to trading development. And if anything remains unclear after watching this video, please write to me and I'll be happy to explain. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and grow with us. On Telegram, you will find useful tips and proven approaches for confident trading. A new situation occurred. I'm setting the expiration time to 2 minutes and opening a long trade for $1,610. After a slight pullback, the chart revives and begins to show steady growth. The candles line up sequentially, each subsequent one smoothly continuing the previous one, confirming the overall market sentiment and adding additional confidence in the current movement. The dynamics develop calmly and predictably without sharp jumps and chaotic impulses, which indicates the stability of the uptrend. This price behavior clearly shows that buyers are fully in control and are gradually increasing pressure, pushing the price higher and higher. And judging by the overall picture and the current structure of the movement, the probability of continued growth remains high. Everything indicates that the trend will continue to develop, which means there are excellent reasons to expect profits from further market strengthening. Let's see. Well, an excellent result. Another $1,481 in profit. The balance is steadily increasing and the rhythm of the session is clearly set. The chart shows another opportunity. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I'm opening a long trade for $1,435. All indicator conditions are fully met and the chart looks very promising. The signals coincide and confirm each other, which significantly increases confidence in the forecast. An interesting sideways movement is now forming on the chart. The price seems to have stopped in a narrow range, accumulating energy for the next impulse. Such consolidation phases almost always end with a bright breakout. Judging by the indicators and the overall dynamics, the most likely scenario is a breakout of the upper limit of this range. If this happens, the market will get a new boost and the uptrend will continue. In this situation, we can safely expect an upward movement and, as a result, a profit. And an excellent result, I got $1,320 in profit. My balance is growing and my confidence is increasing with every step. The final opportunity of the day is shaping up to be a powerful one. I'm setting the timer for 2 minutes and opening a long trade for $1,055. After a slight corrective decline, the price confidently found support and rebounded from it, resuming its growth. The movement looks stable and well structured. The candles rise one after another, forming a consistent upward line without sharp drops or chaotic jumps. This creates a sense of stability and strength in the current trend. This dynamic clearly indicates that the correction is over and buyers have regained the initiative. Each new upward movement only confirms their sentiment and demonstrates growing pressure on the price. The signal looks reliable and consistent with the overall market direction, which increases the likelihood of continued growth. And judging by the current picture, the uptrend has every chance of maintaining its momentum and developing further, paving the way for new levels. All this makes the situation favorable and predictable, reinforcing confidence in the continuation of the upward movement. Closing on a high note, plus $970. The balance reached $11,890 and the day is ending nicely. Well, I'm happy with this session. The balance grew from $6,536 to $11,890. Clear work on signals made this session as successful as possible. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!